I think part of the reason why Corvid works and why the Goldbug team is able to support Corvid effectively is because of the culture that's been built here, and that starts from the top down. David Robinson, the president of the company, is very good at lovingly but firmly pushing you to continue to think past what we're doing right now and how we're going to continue to grow the group. It's a bunch of people. They take initiative. They want to know what's going on outside of their little sphere. They're very, very resourceful. They're very bright, and they're very good at what they do.
One of the greatest things about working here is the culture. You know, they give us projects and kind of let us go on our own to solve problems that we need to solve.
I like to say that there are no problems, there's only solutions. Doing a lot of the prototype work, aerospace and defense, not doing the same thing day in and day out.
Everybody helps each other out. It's not an ego thing, you know, everybody's here for the same cause and working together, and it's best for the country, it's best for all of us.
When you're dealing with a product that's going to be used by our men and women in service, those products have to be right and they have to be accounted for.
In respect to having quality defense pieces out there, and they're very, very reliable. It is helping our defense department.
Everybody that works here knows exactly where these products are going to go. They take a lot of pride in knowing that that's what they're working on, that's who's going to benefit from it.
What we do here is some of it protects our service people, and some of it gives them heads up so they know what's going on. It protects all of us in this country.
And when everybody on the team that you work with feels the same, it's more fun to go after these difficult challenges because you know that the guy that you need help from wants to go after the challenge just as much as you do.